Three-pad line. Three-pad line is the portable line version of an extremely versatile application for organizing and retrieving textual data. It has been described as a personal information manager and a database application for storing, organizing, editing, searching, and retrieving text items. When we open the three-pad line, this window will show first, giving you the following options. We're gonna choose create a new file because that's what we're gonna do, and then just press OK. We're gonna need on the left hand side in the tab, we're gonna name our first main node. We're gonna call it courses. And on the text, we're just gonna write any simple message so you can remember. I'm gonna say fall 10, and then we're gonna start adding the child nodes. Just right click on the main node and go to insert node and go to the children node. Our first children node, we're gonna call it IS 485, and we're gonna add another child by clicking on the main node. We're gonna call this a different chorus, IT 330. You can add as many children nodes as you want. In this case, I'm just gonna do 2. But then also you can add more children to your children. Here is basically where all your articles or your papers are gonna go. For example, I'm gonna call this folder or a child homework 1, and here is where you start writing your article or your paper, and this is how you start building and organizing all your documents. We can add another child to IS 485, and as we see, the tree is growing and you can see it's well organized. I'm gonna write a simple message on the under homework 2 as well, so we're gonna go to save this tree. So we have our main node that is courses, then we have 2 child that is IS 485 and IT 330, and inside our child node of IS 485 we have homework 1 and homework 2. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna call it this as 3 1 and save it. One of the good options that three-pad Lite has is the finding option. Just let's see you are just open your main tree, and you want to open one of the homeworks that it was about a spyware, let's see, but you don't remember which one. So you just go to the find option that is this icon, and then you you write it down spyware and just go to find, and it will tell you where is that exactly word or the exactly article that you're looking for um, located, and then you just go, it's telling you that it's on homework one, just click it and it's go straight to the document, and as we see the word is there. That's it for 3 pad. Thank you. 7-zip is a robust and versatile compressor and supports about 16 different file compression methods, including compressing and uncompressing the 7Z format. 7Z is the most powerful compressional algorithm. 7-zip provides considerable greater flexibility than many other compressors on compressors. This is the 7-zip file manager main window. What we're gonna do is select one big file, and we're gonna compare the size of any ordinary compression zip to the 7Z compression. We're gonna open the file. Is this one, we're gonna select it, and in order to start compressing, we're gonna go to add. First we're gonna do the regular zip format. You select it on the where it says archive format, press zip, and then just go and say OK. The compressing is gonna start. The compressing is gonna start. It's about to finish. We can see here the compressed size by now is 10 megabytes, and in the end it's gonna go to the main window, and as we can see here, it's already compressed, and you see over here the package size, it tells you 11 megabytes, around 12 megabytes. Now we're gonna do with the other format. We're gonna select it, and then we're gonna do add as well, and we're gonna change this to the 7Z, and then we're gonna do OK. Compression is gonna start. The compression is about to finish, and as we can see, the size is smaller. We're gonna see the final size in a second. The last two here are the last one is the format 7Z, and it's only 7.8 megabytes, so we can see the difference. The 7Z is a lot smaller. Super Anti-Spyware is a dedicated spyware detector designed to detect and remove spyware, adware, Trojan horses, rogue security software, computer worms, rootkits, parasites, and other potentially harmful software applications. This is the main window of the Super Anti-Spyware. We're gonna do is scan the entire computer by selecting scan your computer. we're gonna choose the option perform quick scan. I'm gonna select it, and then we're gonna press next. The scanning process is gonna start. Around 850 items were scanned. Is no any detected items yet. It's around 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. Now we can see is 4 items detected, so I didn't know. I didn't know that my computer had that many threads. It's already more than half an hour, and by now it's 220 threads detected, and this is still going. It ended, and this is the results. It was 21 files detected. Well, actually it's 220 files detected. 220 threads detected. That is a lot.